As the dollar loses its throne, Bitcoin is quietly rising to power. In just 3 minutes, you'll learn how the financial game is changing. This chart shows what happens when a currency fails. From 2015 to 2025, the Turkish lira dropped 94% and the Argentine peso lost over 99%. People lost nearly all their purchasing power. If you'd held Bitcoin in Turkey or Argentina since 2015, you'd be up hundreds of thousands or even millions of percent. Could the dollar be next? The US dollar index fell 8% in 100 days, a rare move. It might be more than a dip. Something bigger could be unfolding. This decline comes as the US faces significant debt, geopolitical tensions, and a decline in global trust. A weaker dollar could push Bitcoin into a new role. Trump wants a weaker dollar to fight trade wars using tariffs and currency moves to boost exports and local jobs. Why a weak dollar works. A cheap dollar makes US goods more attractive, cuts the trade deficit, and reshapes supply chains. It's part of the America First playbook. If this policy continues, the dollar's dominance could fade. We're already seeing cracks. The dollar's share of global reserves fell from 66 to 57% since 2016. Countries are slowly stepping away. The US now owes over $35 trillion more than several top economies combined. That debt shakes global trust in the dollar. The British pound lost reserve status after WWI and debt crisis. The dollar replaced it. Now, that cycle could repeat. Countries are moving away from the dollar in trade and finance. The era of one global currency might be ending. The yuan and euro are flawed. That opens the door for gold and Bitcoin as alternative stores of value. Bitcoin is digital, decentralized, borderless, and fast everything the dollar isn't. Gold is bulky and expensive to move. Bitcoin transfers billions in minutes with minimal fees. Bitcoin is now a hedge, not just a gamble. It reflects shifting confidence in monetary systems. As fiat weakens, capital is fleeing to Bitcoin not just from regular people, but big institutions too. Countries like El Salvador made Bitcoin legal tender. Sovereign wealth and pension funds are also jumping in. The UAE's fund has Bitcoin. Wisconsin's pension fund does too. Trump even labeled Bitcoin a strategic asset. Bitcoin versus gold in market cap. Gold is worth $22 T. Bitcoin $1.9 T. If it catches up, 1 BTC could hit $1.1 million. The dollar won't die overnight, but financial power is clearly shifting. The US remains strong, boasting a $28 trillion GDP, global tech dominance, and over 200,000 BTC held by the government. New monetary order, V is moving from a single global reserve to a multi-asset system. Bitcoin may be a key